Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Okay, Virgo people, first of all I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings, alright? So we have 8 of Wands with us. Virgo, this is your current energy. I feel that you guys are somebody who is waiting for some kind of a communication, some kind of a confirmation, some kind of offer. Okay, something is there in your life for which you are waiting eagerly. It could be love offer, it could be job offer, it could be some kind of a confirmation or confrontation. Okay, some sort of communication you are waiting in your life, and I'm seeing that thing is coming towards you. Yes, some sort of communication is coming into your life, Virgo. All right, I think all your wishes are going to come true. I don't know, I'm just seeing that some communication is coming into your life, something is coming into your life, and that communication, that confirmation, that offer, that approval is approaching towards you rapidly. Alright, this is your current energy, Virgo. Now this is your partner's current energy, the Hierophant. Your person is being somebody who is into some kind of authoritative position. Okay, your person is somebody who is giving some kind of a guidance to someone. Okay, this person must have some achieved something good in life. That's why people believe in them, that's why people trust them, that's why people respect them. Okay, so they are somebody who is on a very authoritative position, who is very respectable within their family, friends and social groups. Okay, and yes, they are being somebody who is counseling the other people. Okay, so they are somebody who spread positivity in life, who spreads good vibes into their own social circle or their family circles or their friend circle. All right, so they are being somebody, or they are someone who is very optimistic in life. All right, now let's see what or how you see them and how they see you, or how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Hanged Man. Oh, the Chariot. Okay. Virgo, you see them as somebody who has put something on hold in their life. They must be posing to the outer world that hey, I am somebody who is a healer, who is a giver, who always spread positivity or good vibes. Okay, but some decisions in their own life are on hold. Okay, perhaps they have put something in their life on hold just to see what's happening around them. I think that this person must have put this relationship on hold, because I feel that this person is talking to a lot of people, but when it comes to relationship thing, they are not talking to you. They must not be talking to you, Virgo, because they have put you on hold, they have put this relationship on hold. They just want to see what's happening in your life, or they just want to see what's happening around them. Okay, perhaps this person must be feeling that hey, this is not the right time for this relationship. Okay, or perhaps it also happens, Virgo, you see them as somebody who has lot of people into their life. All right, but yes, when it comes to emotion, they are not open with everyone. Okay, on the other hand, we have Chariot. So your person sees you as somebody who is very confident, very independent. Okay, who know how to lead his or her own life. Okay, they see you as somebody who has willpower and determination to change his or her own luck or destiny. Okay, so they see you as somebody who has negative traits and positive traits. You have plus and minus in your life or in your behavior, but yes, after all such things, you have that determination to lead your life on your own terms. Okay, so they see you as somebody who is very strong person, who is very independent, who is very calm, who is very well aware of their thoughts. All right. Let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. So we have Queen of Cups, King, Queen. Virgo, this is your energy, okay? See, I'm not seeing any kind of action in this reading right so far, okay? So there is no action is happening in this relationship, okay? Because you are somebody who is protecting your emotions. On the other hand, your person is also not doing anything, because they feel that I should, earn a lot of respect, a lot of money, a lot of material things in my life, rather than focusing on love or emotion things. All right. So you are being somebody who has everything in life, but yes, when it comes to relationship thing, I think both of you are on the same page. Both of you wants to restore, or both of you wants to protect your emotions, protect your energies, protect your love for the right one. All right. This is you who has a lot of emotions, but you want to give this cup to somebody who you feel is deserving. All right. And this person, your person, this person is protecting their material things, protecting their reputation, their achievements, whatever they have earned so far in life. So you are being somebody who is protecting your emotions. Your person is being somebody who is protecting their material things, or reputations, or pride, or something like, or blah blah blah. Okay, so no action is happening right now in this relationship. Okay, now let's see how you guys are feeling in this relationship. How you are feeling in this relationship. Okay. See, again, both of you are on the same page. All right. When it comes to this relationship particularly, I'm not seeing anything. Okay, it's you and it's them. Nine of Cups is for you, Virgo, and Two of Wands is for them. All right. So you are being somebody who is very poised, who is very calm, who is very affectionate, who is very passionate towards your own life. Okay, you must have been through a lot of love or emotional uh, offers into your life in past, but now you are being somebody who don't want to look back in your life. Okay, you just want to look ahead. Okay, or perhaps I told you that you are being somebody who's protecting your energies or your emotions. So here also you are protecting your heart, because you have closed your heart. Okay, you don't want anyone to let into your heart. Okay, you don't want anyone to cross this border, to cross your territory. Okay, so no action, nothing is happening in this love. On the other hand, we have Two of Wands. Virgo, I feel that this person is not yet, they are somebody who doesn't know that you also exist in this world. Okay, perhaps they have not think about in that manner that I need somebody for my emotional needs. Okay, or perhaps they are being somebody who is starting to explore something in terms of emotions right now. Okay, because this person feels that I have a huge scope of opportunity. I have a huge scope of lot of emotional offers, or lot of emotional confrontation. So let's just see how things are taking place. So that's why they feel, I feel that they are preparing themselves that, okay, if I have achieved something in life in terms of material things, okay, now let me just explore, let me just see what else life can show me in terms of emotions, in terms of love, or in in with regards to emotions or with regards to love, what is there for me. Okay, so they are being, I feel that they are waiting for something to happen in their life on emotional level. Okay, now let's see what is mutual energy. What's 10 of wands and what is going to be the future potential? Hey, future is bringing something good for you, Virgo. So 10 of wands is both of your mutual energy. That means both of you are depressed, sad. Okay, both of you are feeling overburdened. Okay, you have your own responsibilities on your shoulders, that you don't have time to look ahead or look up what's happening around me. Okay, both of you must be working into your own or towards your own financial freedom, or towards your own financial security, or financial or some kind of a professional commitments. Okay, so both of you are working really hard to achieve something solid in your life in terms of material things. Okay, that's why you are being somebody who's feeling sad and depressed. Okay, you have no time to look up, you have no time to see people, you have no time to talk to people. Both of you are completely drained. Okay, but I'm seeing future is bringing something positive for you. All right, I'm seeing that both of you, divine is going to make some kind of arrangements for both of you, that you guys are going to connect with each other, and eventually you guys are going to offer your emotional cup to each other. Okay, so I'm seeing a long term bonding is arriving into your life, a long term commitment is arriving in your life. You are going to experience the bestest time of your life or your love life with this person. So let's just hope for the best. All right, now let's see how angels are advising you here. What angels are saying, or how angels are advising you here. What angels are advising you here. Be assertive. What you want in life, just be sure about it. Okay, don't go here and there. Whatever divine wants to do for yourself, for you, they will do. But you need to be assertive. If you want this person, then be assertive. If you don't want this person, then be assertive. If you want to achieve some goals in your life, then be assertive towards them. All right, okay. So Virgo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 8 of wands, 10 of wands, 2 of wands. Some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant, and we have Cancer in this reading with this Chariot. We have Pisces also in this reading with this Hanged Man. Alright, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Queen of Cups, 2 of Cups and 9 of Cups. So some of you could be dealing with them too. Okay, so Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.